Hi everyone, welcome back to English Talks.
Hello, hello. Today we have a fun topic.
Yes, we're going shopping for the new iPhone 17.
Wow. Many people want the iPhone 17. But how do we talk in English when we buy a phone?
Don't worry. Today we'll show you a simple English conversation at a phone shop.
Easy English, short sentences, perfect for beginners.
So stay with us, repeat after us, and let's learn together.
Hello. Welcome to the store. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to buy a phone.
Sure. Which phone would you like?
The iPhone 17, please.
Great choice. Do you want the black one or the white one?
I like the black one.
Okay. Do you want 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes?
256 gigabytes, please.
Perfect. Do you want to pay by card or by cash?
By card, please.
Thank you. Here is your iPhone 17.
Wow, thank you so much. Let's learn some useful phrases. I would like. This is polite. Example, I would like an iPhone. Example, I would like a black phone. Do you want? The shop assistant asks you. Do you want the black one? Do you want 128 gigabytes? How can I help you? A very common question in shops. You can answer, I would like. By card/by cash. This is how we say payment. I want to pay by card. I want to pay by cash.
Easy, right? Repeat after us. Ready? I would like an iPhone. Do you want the black one? I want to pay by card.
Now it's your turn.
Imagine you are in the shop.
What color phone do you like? Black or white?
Tell us in the comments. Right. I would like a color phone.
Example, I would like a white phone.
Great. Practice in the comments. We will read them. Thumbs up.
Okay, friends. Now let's practice together. You be the customer. Paul is the shop assistant.
Hello, how can I help you? Oh, you would like an iPhone 17? Sure. Do you want the black one or the white one? Good choice. Do you want 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes? Perfect. Do you want to pay by card or by cash? Thank you. Here is your phone.
Good job. See? You can do it.
Let's review the important words and phrases. How can I help you? Shop assistant's question. I would like. Polite way to ask. Do you want? Choice question. By card/by cash. Payment.
Let's say them again slowly. Repeat after us. I would like an iPhone. Do you want the black one? I want to pay by card.
Excellent. These phrases are very useful in any shop.
That's all for today. You learned how to buy a phone in English.
Yes. Now you can go to a store and speak with confidence.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like.
Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And write in the comments. What phone do you use now?
Thank you for learning with us. See you next time. Bye.